Friends, let me ask you a serious question. What happens when even the biggest massage chain in Malaysia collapses? In the last year alone, 38 wellness center and one big brand massage 24 outlets suddenly shut down. 24 branches from a well-known chain were forced to close after mismanagement and a court order. If giants also can fall, what about the small player? What about the worker? What about you?
This is fine. I'm okay with the events that are unfolding currently.
And here is the even bigger problem. Malaysia Human Resource Minister Stephen Sims announced in the next 5 years, over 620,000 jobs will disappear. Not because people are lazy, but because AI, digitalization, automations and robots and green technology are reshaping the industry. Ask yourself this: if tomorrow your company is downsizing, where would you go? And if your salary stops, what is your plan B? This is not scaring you. This is reality. Now, here is the good news. Out of every crisis, there is new opportunity arise. The wellness industry in Malaysia is growing at 8% CAGR, a compound annual growth rate, one of the fastest growing sector in our country. And in the year 2026, we welcome Visit Malaysia Year. Millions of tourists are coming to Malaysia. They will eat our nasi lemak, buy our craft, and experience our urutan Malaysia, our traditional massage. Now, some might ask, why not Thailand? The truth is, Thailand is facing instability, war tension with Cambodia, human trafficking issue to Myanmar, and just recently, Malaysia couples tragically burned in Bangkok. Make global news already. Tourists will seek for a safer, trusted destination, and the destination is Malaysia, a safe place. So here is my deepest questions to you. Who will serve these booming demands? Who will these millions dollars of tourists will spend on in Malaysia? Right now, the big chains are falling, but the demand for skilled massage therapies is only rising. Would you be the one to step up? Or would you let the wave pass by you? We train Malaysians in SKM-3 and DKM-4 massage skill certificates, government recognized and future-proof qualification for the last 22 years. This is Team Body Care Massage Academy. Here we have some special offer to you. We got 3 convenience school locations: Petaling, Jaya, Penang and Johor, Bahru. Upcoming is Bintulu and also Kota Kinabalu. And then we got hybrid learning, so you can even learn while you're still working. And then we guarantee you for job placement because we got 300 partner of spas. You can earn 2,500 ringgit part-time or up to 5,000 ringgit full-time. This isn't just about massage, it's about reskilling the workforce, turning every Malaysians into certified wellness professional. And here is the part that excited me most. When you study with us, you are not only learning a career, you are opening doors to entrepreneurship. Some of our graduates open their own spa and wellness centers, and we even help them connect with trained massage therapy supply. Welcome! And maybe you are not here just for yourself. Maybe you are a spa owner, an investor, or someone thinking of starting a wellness business. Here is the thing, you don't need to struggle finding skilled therapists. You can partner with us and source certified, job-ready graduates through massage.com.my. We are Malaysia's #1 and only structured pipeline producing professional certified massage therapy. Why you want to risk uncertified hires when you can tap into the future-ready workforce with Team Body Care Massage Academy? I want you to live with one thought. Every crisis produces 2 types of people. They are the ones, one are the one that freeze and the one that is take the opportunity. You see, 620,000 jobs are going to go away in Malaysia, but thousands of new ones are opening in wellness, tourism and healthcare. The question is, which group would you be in? If your answer is yes, yes to reskilling, yes to opportunity, yes to a skill AI cannot replace, then visit massage.com.my today. Because in this new Malaysia, massage isn't just a service, it is a sure win strategy for your future. I will see you on the inside of our school. Shall you like this video? Please remember to share, like, and follow. Thank you very much. Bye bye.